All right.
Yeah, sure.
Sure. My name is Lil Hlonolo from CMTV. Can I take 1 minute of your time?
Ngiyaphuthuma mfethu, ngiyaphuthuma.
1 minute.
Espanyol,
1 minute. Okay, I'm gonna give you 1,000 rand.
Oh. Sure.
So I'm shooting a show
Yeah.
where we call your partner.
Yeah.
We just need to call your partner and ask your partner, who are you dating? If your partner give me your name, what's your name?
Oyigama uThando.
Yeah. So if your partner says Tando, you get 1,000 rand. If your partner says I'm dating Usboniso or Wanubane, Ubunolo, it means partner yakho
Hey, man.
is doing something. But if artist Boniso, or if you give me your name, you get 1,000 rand, and then you go. I say I can see you are rushing somewhere.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
okay. We're just gonna call your partner, ne? You know your partner's numbers, ne?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna take 30 seconds on the call only.
Sure.
If your partner, I'm gonna ask your partner, who are you dating? If artist Boniso, you get 1,000 rand and then you hump.
Okay.
Because me already I got content, yeah.
Yeah, so put
Okay. I shoot a land for you to see answer first.
Sure.
Yeah. Say we're continuing with the show. The gent's very busy guy. He's in a hurry. Maji.
Yeah,
I'm just gonna ask you to type numbers, ne? But before that, what's your name?
Uthando.
And then your girlfriend's name?
Monique. Yeah.
How many years or how many months you've been together?
Into encane yabona saqala maybe 2 months.
2 months.
Yeah.
Okay. When last did you see her? Type her numbers. When last did you see her? Izolo.
Yeah.
Okay, shout out, man. Uyamthanda kodwa?
Ngiyamthanda yena, umuntu ogrange ngithola.
Okay, watch ya.
Yeah, akagcwali istrata.
Okay.
Yeah.